Hello, this is Olivia and welcome back to my channel. Last week, since I had some chicken fillets, I made two simple snacks for the evening: rava chicken fry and chicken samosas, and I had included those in my video. Before getting into my cooking, let me show you quickly how I gave a new look for my coffee table, and I hope you will be enjoying it. I was longing to give a new style for my coffee table. I have no particular style or format but love adding colors, and bringing in some Indian touch is my way of styling the home. I like these glass decors that comes in vibrant shades like bottle green, deep red, ink blue and yellow. Do tell me whether you liked the simple styling of my coffee table. For making rava chicken fry, I have taken 2 chicken fillets cut into cubes. Add a cup of yogurt, then a teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, salt as required, a spoon of cardamom powder, 2 spoons of garlic paste, and squeeze in some lemon juice. It's crispy outside and juicy inside with the sour and spicy flavors. For chicken samosas, I'm using wheat samosa sheets. For the masala, I've taken 5 onions, 6 garlic, a piece of ginger, 4 green chilies, some garam masala and pepper powder are the only masala powders I've added. And then seal the filled sheets with the paste made of all-purpose flour. Thank you for watching and see you soon in my next video with interesting contents. Do consider to subscribe to my channel and to click the like button.